Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be discussing web application development cost. So to keep it short and simple, there is no exact number at the stage of idea. And that's because it involves a lot of factors that affects or influence the cost of developing a web application. So let's see what are the factors that influence the cost of web application development and also why a plain idea is rarely enough. Factor number one, which is scope of work. The first thing that matters is the app's functionality. It really matters if you are developing a simple online store, an online web brochure, or a unique and complex system. And mind that project requirements are not a carving on the stone. They may change and you might want to bring in new features and designs that would at the end result in affecting or influencing the final price. Factor number two is complexity of your UI or UX design. So if you choose to go for a custom UI or UX design, be ready to pay more. And how much you have to pay more depends on the complexity, number of elements, animations, etc. And note this, that you cannot compromise on your UI UX design, because not putting effort in your design means not to be noticed in the industry. So if you want success for your app, you need to focus on the UI UX design, which is the base for even the developers. Next up is business niche. So the projects that do not require specialized knowledge or skills will definitely be comparatively cheaper to you. Like if you just want to develop another online brochure, then it's definitely not going to cost you much. But in the case of complex and unique suits, it is entirely a different thing. These kind of projects cannot be built without highly qualified and experienced developers, which will definitely reflect in your cost. But not the least is developers' location. So offshore development often comes cheaper than the local one. In the countries like USA, Canada, Australia, the rates per hour for software engineering developers is the highest. It ranges somewhere around $100 to $250 per hour. While in Eastern European countries, it's much lower, ranging between $40 to $80 per hour. And when you see or compare it with Asia, it's even less, which is just between $18 to $40 per hour. Obviously, there's much more to it. And to explore more such informative content, please visit www.solutionvalley.com.